Hello guys and welcome to another edition of Savage Jamaican Cuisine. Yes guys, it's midweek and today I'll be walking you through the process of how we do Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Yes, step-by-step process of how it's done. I am here to help you with that today. It's a request from one of a very good friend who is a subscriber and I'll be taking you through the process. Yes, so see you on the other end of the video where I'll be taking you through the ingredients and how I get my sweet potato pudding ready. See you in a bit. Welcome back guys, and these are the ingredients we'll be using today to make the sweet potato pudding. So here we have our grated sweet potatoes here. We have coconut milk, we have flour, we have a bit of refined cornmeal. This helps to give the pudding body. We are going to be using some raisins, some brown sugar, we have nutmeg, cinnamon powder, salt, vanilla, and a bit of molasses. You'll see how we're going to be using this. I use the molasses specifically with a bit of the coconut milk to get the custard on top of the sweet potato pudding. So pretty much this is going to be used in the latter end of the video where we're going to just add that like the last 10 minutes during the baking process. Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is just adding the brown sugar to the coconut milk, and I'm just going to mix this together until all the sugar granules is dissolved, I should say. So just gonna whisk this together until everything comes together nicely. Alright, so we just wanna get out all those sugar grains. Alright, that should be good now. So here is the bowl I'll be using because I'm making two, so it's pretty much a lot. So I'm adding my flour and the cornmeal to this, and what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and combine all of these the flour and the cornmeal together here so everything incorporates well. So just mix up everything together, and I'm going to add some salt to this at this point, using like about a tablespoon of salt. Alright, so salt added. This is some nutmeg, decent amount, so as to give that pop and flavor to the pudding. So nutmeg, I'm gonna add just a little bit more here. Yeah, and also cinnamon powder. We're gonna combine all of this together so the flour and the different spices and the cornmeal come together perfectly in the bowl here. Alright? This is smelling so good. I literally could eat this. So now yeah, after this is combined so well, what I'm going to do now is to add the vanilla to the coconut mixture. So vanilla is added to the coconut and the sugar. Alright? So you're just going to get that in nicely. And we're just going to gradually add this to the dry ingredient here. You may be wondering that this is a bit thick. Not to worry. Once the potato is added to this, you'll see everything coming together so well. So yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead with adding my grated potato. So little by little as well. So I'm going to do like half first, and then incorporate everything. So half first and then incorporate it out. And then the following half go inside. Right. We'll go combine it all together. So this is looking perfect, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my raisins to this. I mean, this is optional. I like my raisins. If you don't want to add it, then it's up to you. So just spread this out evenly. here, and then we just combine it all together, and then it's ready for the oven. Just combine it all together here. We're just gonna get them in to the oven. Alright, so guys, as you can see, our pudding batter is ready for the oven. So I'm just gonna flip this in the oven for an hour and 30 minutes, and the oven is set at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just gonna flip these in. As you can see, the heat is coming now. It's hot. So we'll get that bad boy in, and the other one in as well. As I mentioned, just an hour and 30 minutes. And these should be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and to start working on the custard for the top, which is gonna be added like the last 10 minutes. So I'll see you in a few. Alright, so guys, here am I now working on the slushy top for the sweet potato pudding. Yeah, so that slush in your pudding, when you buy it in the sweet potato pudding, that's what I'm working on currently. So as you can see, I've added some butter to a pot. Of course, unloaded. This is like about a tablespoon and a half of butter. I'll also be using dark brown sugar, a little bit of coconut milk, some molasses, and this key ingredient that I use in mine. Of course, if you don't want to, it's up to you, but I use it in mine because it gives a pop to the cake. And this is a rum flavored it's a rum essence. So pretty much I use it in my fruit cake, and I just use it also in the slush of my sweet potato pudding. So as you can see, I'm waiting on the butter here to melt. So I want all of this butter to melt. So, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just add the sugar to it. Just getting all of this together. Of course, on low heat. So the butter is fully melted now. So what I'm going to do is just add the brown sugar. So all of this in here. Alright. Just gonna incorporate everything, so the sugar into the butter, and allow this to caramelize. Right. So once it's caramelized, then I'm gonna go ahead and to add the molasses and the coconut milk, and just leave it for another 5 minutes, and then put that aside to cool. Alright, so guys, this is what your end product should look like for the slush. So right, as you can see, really nice. So we're just gonna take this and put it aside right now so it can cool, and we just base the top of the pudding like for the last 10 minutes. Alright, so guys, as you can see, I'm 1 hour 15 minutes into the baking process. So what I'm doing now is to just add the slush to the top of this, and then leave it for the final 15 minutes so it can, you know, come together. So I'm just gonna spread this out evenly on top of both. Spread it out. So just wanna spread it out evenly here. Alright, get it all out, all the way out. Spread it out. Alright, that's good enough. And then for this one we do the same. I'm just gonna flip these back into the oven for the final 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes you will see the end result of Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Alright guys, so after 1 hour and 45 minutes, this is the end result of sweet potato pudding. Look yummy, right? Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for making it Savvy Jamaican Cuisine. Of course, this is where the platform where we teach you everything Jamaican. So until the next video, keep savvy. Bless.